Hello guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to generate high quality AI images in Kling AI. So let's get started. As you know, Kling AI is a pretty good service that can help you in generating images and videos. Today we will talk about how to generate images, so let's click on the first option. This is how the interface of this website looks like. So there are two ways: text to image and AI virtual try-on. So let's select the first one, and the basis for quality generation: make simple, understandable prompts and properly add negative prompts. So negative prompts, what you don't want to see in the image. So for example, let's try to use this prompt. Just scroll down a bit and here you can change settings. For example, let's change aspect ratio, select it, for example, generating count, for example, to. And unfortunately, in Kling AI, we can't add negative prompts. I don't know why, but it's very bad. But anyway, let's try to generate two images. Click on generate, and the process is pretty quick. It's cool, I like the result, and it's really consistent with the prompt. Also, we can upscale this image, but only for premium. You can add this image as reference right here and bring to life with Kling AI video generation. And of course, download it just by clicking on this button with Kling AI watermark. So this is how you can easily generate high quality images with this service. Hope my video was helpful for you. Subscribe and put a like under this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.